How to stop sharing location on iPhone without them knowing. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, go ahead and open up Settings application in your mobile device. Once you open it up, what you need to do is simply go ahead and toggle on airplane mode. Once the airplane mode is toggled on, you want to go ahead and tap on Wi-Fi and simply toggle off your Wi-Fi connection. Now once you have your Wi-Fi off and airplane mode on, you'll then be able to stop sharing your location on iPhone without them knowing. Even if they try to find you, they will only find your old location. But if in case you want to stop sharing location permanently, simply tap on your Apple ID. And once you tap onto it, simply tap on Find My. Now inside here, as you can see, Share My Location is toggled on. Simply toggle off that button and then you'll be good to go. And that is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.